Hello and welcome back to the amazing session, people. Many students are wondering, sir, how can we start ICSE class 10-2022 examination? Even many students are there, those who have not started preparation. Many students are there, those who have given one or two examination, even they have scored a very least number of marks. Many students are also there, those who are not aware of any kind of reduced syllabus and etc. My dear most children, this is the special video for all the ICSE class 10, those who are going to appear the examination in the year of 2022-2023 batch. Number one, even let me say you people that I was one of them. I was one of the aspirant where I have started my ICSE class 10 preparation in my childhood from the month of September, when I got kicked from my half yearly examination. Again I am saying, if you are somehow have not started the preparation, I cannot say you are in the right track, but also I can guarantee you that something is never going to be a loss of yours, because we people will be planning according to the strategy, tips, tricks, where to work, where not to work. Even trust me people, I will be guiding you throughout the year and we will work together in a loyal manner. And also I wanted to say, my dear most people, that if you have any kind of queries regarding anything, any kind of topics, any queries, any question papers, any important notes, anything, you people can join Telegram as well as WhatsApp group. Even though let us stick to the topic. How can we start ICSE class 10 2022-2023 session where we can score 90%, 95%, where we can come even topper? The first most priority which everyone should have, that is the in-test question, exercise questions in your entire life. If you are following ICSE class 10 physics, you have to come with the exercise questions, numericals, you have to complete all kind of Selena examples. If you are following on science Selena, chemistry, you have to complete with the in-test question, exercise question. If you are following mathematics Selena, people, what you need to do, you have to complete all kind of exercise questions. Again, that is all about examples. If you are following history, civics, morning star, you have to complete all kind of exercise question first. If you are following Goyal Prakashan of geography, again I want to say you have to complete all kind of self questions which is there at the end of the back of the exercise, as well as the extra questions, people. And this is the important which I first want to keep at the highlighter, that is in text and exercise questions of all the subject, people. Number one, why? Because my dear most children, whatever the exam you are going to give, or you have given, or in future you are going to give from the school premises, my dear most children, do not ever try to read anything from inside. I repeat again and again, do not try to read anything from inside if you want to start your preparation in a smart way, right? Because there is having a lots of difference between a smart way and a hard way, right? How you people can start your preparation in a smart strategy, how you people can start your preparation in a smart strategy. My dear most people, I would like to keep on the top that in-test question and exercise question of all kind of subject you need to complete first. Number one. Number two, making notes. Now you people might be thinking, sir, how can we make the notes? Whatever you feel right, good, whatever you understand, just try to point it out in one sheet of a paper, and that is your notes. If you don't know how to make notes or something like that, my dear most children, again and again I am saying, please do join Telegram, please do join WhatsApp group, and there you will be getting the best note of yours. Not only that, but also, as you know very well, I am an educator in Unacademy. We are pleased that I am even pleased that I am a part of Unacademy, where I can give special free education to all my students. I repeat, special free education for all my students. If a person is having any kind of doubt, if an aspirant is having any kind of doubt in physics and mathematics and other subjects, he or she can text me personally through the Telegram, through the WhatsApp group, and with a very short period of a time, the same topic, the same schedule, the topic, the chapter will be coming in front of you in case of Unacademy platform, people. And the most important that in case of Unacademy, people, right, you people have a lots of options over there. You can download the notes, whatever I have taught. You can download the DPPs. You can download all kind of important questions, PYQs, which I will be discussing. And the most people that the most important, you can get the subscription. How can you get the subscription? Suppose for an example, you have I am giving a special free classes, I repeat, special free classes where you can join everything with a free. How can you join with a free? You can apply my code MALLICK Malik 10. You can apply my code MALLICK Malik 10 to unlock the session. My dear most children, again and again I am saying, you just join Telegram as well as my WhatsApp group. The link has been given in the description box, where I am conducting classes. When I will be conducting classes this Sunday, there will be having a special free classes in Unacademy. How you people will be conducting classes, how you people can join the classes, each and everything will be there in case of Telegram as well as WhatsApp group. If not, try to remain update in the case of community tab in case of YouTube. If not, you just have to remain update in case of Unacademy, when I will be taking the special free classes. Trust me people, I will make the love in case of, I will make you fall in love in case of maths and physics in case of Unacademy session, people. Clear? And there also you can download the notes, everything will be free of cost. And if a person want to take a subscription, agar ek bachcha ko acha laga, if he or she want to take subscription, he or she also can apply this code to get flat 10 to 20% off. And the most important, let me say you that करीबन एक महीना का कॉस्ट करीबन 600 से 700 रुपए आने वाला है. And every subject you will be covering up. Every subject the cost is around 600 to 700 people. That is different matter. For more details, please do check the description link, people. Everything is there in a completely details and scenario. Let us remain stick to the topic. In test and access question is very important, people, to score a very good number of marks. I repeat, अगर तुम्हें 90% लाना है, first priority access and in test questions. Second, notes. I told where you will be getting the notes. If you are following Unacademy session, you can follow the notes, or else whatever I am teaching in case of Unacademy, each and everything I am just uploading in my Telegram, even in my WhatsApp group, even though in case of notes. Even if not, I am also having my handwritten notes which I will be sending in the time interval. Number 3, which I want to keep, that is all about lectures. Which kind of lectures? The lectures which I will be uploading, which I have uploaded. Now you might be thinking, sir, you have not uploaded anything. Yes, I have uploaded many lectures, and also I will be uploading many lectures, and also I will be taking a special free classes on Unacademy. Again and again I am saying, people, please, everything is free na, ek ghanta ka to hai, everything is free. Come and grab all kind of opportunity and make the fundamental clear, everything with a free of cost. And whatever the questions, people, I say, trust me, you can ask your senior brother and sister. Whatever the questions I say, each questions come in examination. And पहला सवाल जो क्वेश्चन आता है एग्जामिनेशन में, जो भी क्वेश्चन तुम्हारा बोर्ड एग्जाम, हाफ ईयरली एग्जाम में आएगा, पहले मुझे सैल्यूट मारेगा, उसके बाद क्वेश्चन पेपर को. एंड इट इज अ परफेक्ट, you know, I cannot say more than that, because whatever the question I speak over here, you can see my past videos. Whatever the question I have given on the eve of examination, each and everything question was there in the your previous batch students. Clear, children? Then after I am talking about lectures, then after I am talking about at the end, that is a PYQs. PYQ stands for previous year questions. Previous year question मतलब whatever the students they have given examination 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21 का 22 का एग्जामिनेशन, 2000 अराउंड 2021 का एग्जामिनेशन नहीं हुआ शायद, राइट. दिस आर द PYQs एग्जामिनेशन, PYQs क्वेश्चन पेपर. PYQs क्वेश्चन पेपर का मतलब इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस which will be coming in the board examination. Where you will be getting those? You will be getting everything with the free of cost. All is yours. You will be getting everything free of cost in Telegram, WhatsApp group. You will be getting everything free of cost in Unacademy platform. You can apply this code MALLICK Malik 10 to unlock the session, people. For more details, please do check the description. And I am going to start one of the finest session again, people, on the 10th of Sunday. For more details, stay tuned. Clear, children? These are the important. Nothing you need to do now. Simple and strategy. Go ahead with the in-text question, exercise question. Whatever you are doing. Suppose first word of independence 1857. You are going to start. Again, what you gonna do? Nothing. Simple and straight. Go to the reduced syllabus. See all kind of syllabus. Come to the exercise question, exercise questions, summary of the question. You do this much. That is the biggest weapon which you are having. Even though. Clear? And again, let me announce one more. We have a legend. We have a legend. Those who will be coming here, in front of you to guide you in case of history and civics as well as in geography. He is a lizard having many years of experience, which I will be keeping in a suspense. Let the time come, I will definitely introduce, and whatever he will be teaching, whatever he will be guiding, in topo sheet, and trust me people, you cannot get anywhere. It is my open challenge to you. So let me signing off for the today. Do not miss the session in the Unacademy. Whatever I am teaching people, you have to remain loyal to it, and whatever I will be teaching the holidays. I mean to say that Sunday I will be teaching, Saturday I will be teaching, each and everything, so that you people will remain free. I can remain free. We both can have amazing fun with amazing session. Clear, children? These are the important lectures, important notes, important scenario which I wanted to say. Thank you very much. Signing over today. Coming stronger the next session. Remember, do not miss the session on Sunday. Thank you. Cheers. Have a great day.